been here 11 years, going 12. Actually, yung brother and the sister-in-laws ko, nandito, they were both working. So they just invited me, come over, check out, maybe may opportunity, good for you, especially you're in the banking industry. So I just came here for just trying my luck. Because actually I have worked for a bank in the Philippines, and it so happened that my sister and brother-in-law were both working here. They just asked me to come over and check. There might be an opportunity for me, especially I'm into the banking industry in the Philippines. So, bumisita lang ako here as a tourist. So, definitely, I just don't want to shop around. So, I also tried my luck. So, nagbigay lang ako ng mga CVs around. And after 2 weeks, one of the banks here in Cambodia asked me for an interview. I was interviewed by the CEO. And then, right there and then, was asked me to start working the following day. So that's how I started. So I worked for one of the big banks here in Cambodia. And then after 6 years of working with that big bank, I switched to another industry, which is actually the law and investment firm. So after 1.5 years of working with the law and investment firm, I decided to work back for the bank because that was my lifeblood. So ABA offered me the job, so I'm here working for them now. Actually, as a branch manager, my main responsibilities are actually taking care of deposits and loans. So, syempre, we have to get more depositors and to maintain existing depositors. And of course, to lend money. Syempre, pag may deposits, kailangan i-lend ang money. So, we need to make sure that the money that we lend out are normally in good hands. So, yun lang, kailangan balance yun deposits and loans. First, honesty. Second is actually determination to work hard. Kasi tayong mga Filipinos, wala tayong pinipiling mga oras, okay? So, talagang gagawin natin ang lahat. Kung ano man yung kaya natin, talagang ibibigay natin ang lahat. First, the feeling of sense of pride. Second, actually, it provides opportunity for Filipinos in Cambodia to see the president in person. Third, shows that the president cares for the people in overseas. And fourth, this is very important, will actually enhance the bilateral relations between Cambodia and the Philippines in terms of governmental relations, as well as people-to-people contact. Isang malaking karangalan dahil isipin mo na I'm a Filipino, dito ko pa siya ma-meet sa Cambodia, which is actually, I mean it's my honor and definitely a pleasure for me to meet the president in person.